Man, y'all, it's dark, so it don't do justice. But if y'all could just see how beautiful it is right now. She's clean. Tomorrow's content day. I'll see y'all then. This is the paint touch-up kit I got from my charger. So we got the primer, the touch-up paint, and the clear coat. This is what I'm gonna use to patch up that scratch on the side of the lip. I haven't done it yet, but I really need to. Get this Subaru. Clean as WRX hatch. Right now I'm gonna get going, y'all. Right, I'm gonna go sell a WRX front lip, like a 2018 to 2021 carbon fiber lip that I've had for a long time. I'm gonna meet them at a spot. Hopefully they buy it. What's up, y'all? So I'm back on the road, or I've been on the road actually. I'm going to the spot to link up with that person. It's coming up right now. Just want to do a little driving for y'all. How y'all been? Welcome back to another video. It's BasedKing. Today I just got some more POV content for y'all. Let's hit 20 likes on the video, please. I would really appreciate that. That would be awesome. I don't have my head mount on right now. I'll do it after the meet, after I sell the lip. Hopefully they pick it up. I'm really hoping that they do. It's another beautiful day, y'all. It's been such a beautiful day every weekend. We haven't had rain in a while. I just want to drive and get some content before sun goes down. These are really nice neighborhoods, y'all. Nice ass neighborhoods, y'all. Big ass houses, y'all. One day. Comment down below what y'all been thinking about the content so far. Are you guys getting bored of it? If y'all want to see more, let me know, please, down below. I appreciate each and every one of you. Y'all are the best. We're at 574 subscribers. We need like 426 more subs to hit my dream goal of 1,000. So badly want to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I feel like it's so possible to get to 1,000. 574 subscribers, that's insane. I like driving through these suburbs, y'all. It's nice. And this one has like trees, nice big trees growing. So you know this neighborhood's been here for a while. did, y'all. I just came down this road. I'm terrorizing the suburbs, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm going to the place where the dude wanted to meet up. I just wanted to grab some driving content around the suburbs, terrorize the suburbs a little bit. Needed to bypass some time since they're still on the way. All right, y'all, I'm parked up. I'm gonna put the mount on the harness, and you'll see it. Here it is, y'all, the Subaru WRX. It's an STI too. Nice STI, dude.
Thank you, appreciate it.
It's sick, dude. What's up? Well, here it is, carbon fiber lip. It's closed, the box is closed up, but if you want, we can open it if you want, but it's just kind of like a hassle. Everything's in here. It's still the carbon fiber. Oh yeah, 280?
Yeah, you counted it, just to be sure.
Can you count this? Makes me miss my WRX. I had a WRX on STI though.
How long ago?
It's been like 2 years now.
Oh, 2 years.
I had a 2020 WRX, all white. I bought it for it, never installed it, so it's untouched still. Okay, and boom, it's in.
All right, bro. Appreciate it.
All right, man, it's all yours now.
All right, thank you.
Make your car look dope, dude.
Yeah,
you got this.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. You have to go and drive safe. All right, y'all. Y'all saw some of that. We got 280 in cash. He was a cool, chill dude. He trusted me. It is carbon fiber. I don't fake out any sales I make. I never fake it out. Y'all saw his STI. That thing is sick. We're gonna get going now to the car meet. It's lowered, you could tell. He's gonna make his car look so dope. And that shit fit in his truck. I knew it because I had the WRX and that I had to fit it into. And it fit in my Charger. So I know this, y'all. I know this. He didn't care too much about YouTube. I could tell. I told him I do YouTube, but he didn't really ask about it. So he probably just wanted to get the lip and get out of there. All right, y'all. Head mount is on. Let's get driving. Let's continue the rest of this POV. That was a cool little nice meetup. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of the video. 20 likes, come on, y'all. Let's hit 20 likes on this video. Road to 1,000 subscribers right now. Let's do this. Damn, y'all heard that? We got the Cobra protecting us though. I was trying to do a pull. All right, y'all, let's go, y'all. All right, y'all, I made it here. My camera stopped recording, unfortunately, so I missed some cut up. I probably came to the wrong spot. I am at the wrong one. It's on the other side of town. I don't know if y'all saw it, but they asked for that, so I had to rip it for them a little bit. Such a beautiful day, everybody. I love this road. everyone thinks I'm a cop, y'all. Everyone just moved over as soon as I went into this lane, so it's kind of awesome. I hope y'all been fucking with the video. Let's get 20 likes on it. Another POV drive for y'all. Road to 1,000. Let's get it to 1,000 subscribers, y'all. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I love y'all. That beautiful river, y'all. We got a cyber truck, y'all. That's awesome. I'm gonna move the garbage can out of the way right there and get some salt, and I'm gonna take some thumbnails really quick for y'all. We got a nice spot. I already took some photos, but I just want to show y'all the beauty of this from right here, this angle. Damn, y'all, look at that. That's tough. Yeah, I'm just gonna be chilling out here, y'all. There's like the bridge right there. Hella cars have been driving by, like pulling on it, and the rest is like empty. There's like 2 cars right here. It's been a beautiful day, just chilling out here, vibing, watching the sunset with my girl. What's up, y'all? I'm back. So it got dark and there wasn't really much going on there. I'm back on the road. It's kind of dark, as y'all can see, so it's pretty much hard to see for y'all, and the quality's probably grainy. Also, I don't have my head mount on. I just want to say I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you have not already. Road to 1,000. I love y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this simple POV terrorizing the suburbs video and just mobbing around. I'll catch y'all in the next video. We got a lot more on the way, some things I haven't mentioned, but just stay tuned for it, y'all, and I'll catch y'all later. I'm gonna do a little bit more driving in here, do a pull since this road leads me to like a straight, and then I'll cut the video for y'all. Exit's coming up here shortly. It was fun, y'all. I love y'all. Like the video, 20 likes, please. I appreciate each and every one of you. Hit that subscribe button. Road to 1,000 once again. I'm gonna keep saying it till we hit it. And bless y'all.